Hey everybody, Stephanie here with the Machine Gun Nest with our newest legal update. So we just caught wind that Firearms Policy Coalition with Dominic Bianchi and some others have filed a petition to the Supreme Court of the United States to challenge Maryland's assault weapons ban. This is really exciting and this is really huge, and it's different from other states' assault weapons bans, and I'll tell you why. So if you're in the state of Maryland and you're confused by this, welcome to the club, or if you're from out of state and you're unfamiliar with what our laws are, allow me to fill you in a bit. The Maryland assault weapons ban is completely inconsistent and complete nonsense. For example, if an AK is chambered in 7.62 by 39, it is banned outright. But if it's an AK pistol in 7.62 by 39, that's okay. But an AK in 5.45, that is okay. It makes no sense whatsoever. Anything made by Bushmaster, absolutely banned outright, even if it is identical to something made by LWRC, fine company, that is permitted. So Bushmaster, sorry, you're not allowed in the state of Maryland. It is just ridiculous. So another example of useless legislation here in the state of Maryland is our high-capacity magazine ban. So if you are a Maryland resident, I am not allowed to give you or sell you a 30-round magazine or anything over 10 rounds, but you are allowed to go to Pennsylvania, you are allowed to go to Virginia and acquire one of those. And if you have one of those, it is grandfathered in from before. So as you can see, this is just a world of nonsense. And then we also have this absolutely meaningless designation of heavy barrel. So all the AR-15s that you see in the state of Maryland that we can sell you must be designated as H-bar. Now, this doesn't even have to be something stamped onto the barrel itself. The manufacturer can manufacture something for Maryland and for something else, but as long as our packing slip says that this is an H-bar, there is no weight requirement as far as what makes this a heavy barrel. It's just absolute nonsense. So as you can see, a lot of this legislation is token and was put in place by Democrats who just wanted to say, I'm ticking my box and I did something as far as gun control is concerned. But in reality, it's just punishing law-abiding citizens and creating weird rules that we obviously abide by but don't make any sense. So what is going on? Dominic Bianchi and Firearms Policy Coalition have filed an opening brief to the Supreme Court of the United States to challenge this. And I'm going to read you their exact, the question presented according to their petition here. It says, whether the Constitution allows the government to prohibit law-abiding, responsible citizens from protecting themselves, their families, and their homes with a type of arms that are in common use for lawful purposes. The question that they're going to be debating is, these are commonly owned firearms and they're not necessarily more powerful than anything else we already are allowed to own. So what is the point of this ban in general? In typical Firearms Policy Coalition fashion, they are moving hard and fast on this, and they are going to be bringing everything that they have. They have said, and I quote, being able to so quickly file the opening brief in this case maintains our desired cadence for this litigation. So as soon as this is accepted, and I think they will accept this petition, we can expect Firearms Policy Coalition to bring everything that they have toward this. I'm expecting a good outcome, and I'm crossing my fingers for that because this could set a huge precedent for other states in similar situations. As things develop and as things move forward, we will keep you updated as they happen, and we look forward to filling you in then.